Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 10th of November 2020, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So as we head into a new week here, what do you need to be aware of? Well, on Monday, we saw the biggest one-day sell-off on gold in 7 years. And of course, that was off the back of the news from Pfizer regarding the new vaccine. And with that, right now is a trader's market. You absolutely want to be capitalizing on this volatility. It's what you want as a trader. And if you just go back over the last 4 or 5 months here on the gold market, it is not a buy and hold market. You can capitalize massively on this volatility, not only with gold, but also with silver and platinum too. It's been fantastic just to be able to reload in the last 24 hours. And this is providing you with the volatility that you want to see here as a trader. And this, of course, is further compounded at the moment by the fact that we've got increased restrictions at the moment in the UK, in Europe, and in the USA now as well. And what I would say to you is don't waste a good lockdown here. You do not want to waste another lockdown. If you fail to capitalize on the last lockdown here that we had over the spring and into the summer, you absolutely want to make sure that you're maximizing it right now. Really up your game here with trading. This is a perfect opportunity for you. And you will have noted too, there's so many bullish predictions out there on the precious metals right now, but it's not just about having a big upside target. You need to be able to know the exact levels to get into the market, where to bank, where to re-enter, when you should be selling short, when you should be going long. This is the most important element to you when you're trading. If you're just speculating and using technical analysis, the majority of technical analysis does not work. You would have seen it at the beginning of this week, right, when many technical analysts were calling for much higher prices here for the metals. And what happens? We have the biggest sell-off in 7 years. And rather than panic sell out of positions, what you want to look at is this massive opportunity that it provides at the moment. So gold, where we're poised right now, it retested those lows again of 1,850 US dollars per ounce. Very simply on your chart, just plot that level. You will see where multiple times we've held at that zone and we're finding resistance at the previous swing highs around 1,960 to 1,970 US dollars per ounce. This is the range right now. It's a 1,000-point range, and this just gives you a really nice cycle in order to benefit from at the moment. Now, what I find interesting again with silver is that we have landed back at that 24 US dollar per ounce level. We discussed that with you previously. That's the Goldman Sachs level, of course, that they put out for all of their clients. That was the level that they were reloading on, with $30 per ounce as the target. We're right now sitting around 24 US dollars per ounce. We retested yesterday 1,850 US dollars per ounce on gold. And of course, platinum we discussed with you in detail on the week ahead report, where we had a sell short on that, banked the sell short yesterday, subsequently after banking profits on the sell short side with platinum, which were identified to you that hedge funds and money managers, this was the weakest out of their long positioning on the precious metals. Platinum was more vulnerable to a downside correction. And we saw that massive sell-off on platinum yesterday, breaking down 4%. Silver and gold prices, in fact, broke down 5%, and now we've flipped position on platinum. We've gone long, and that position is now up over 150 points already. And of course, in the USA, we've now had a resolution about the US election, but Donald Trump is still not conceding. He's continuing to protest this. In fact, Donald Trump posted today on Twitter that Pfizer delayed the announcement regarding the vaccine until after the US election, so it wouldn't give Trump that win. So Trump is accusing Pfizer of getting political here. And of course, we continue to see Trump contesting now Pennsylvania and many other states regarding the fraudulent votes here. So we'll see how that plays out over the course of this week. In summary, we welcome this volatility. It is not just a buy and hold market. I mean, take a look at gold price in Australian dollars. That market broke down 1,500 points just yesterday. It gave up all of the gains from June onwards in just a single day here, with the biggest sell-off in 7 years. You absolutely want to capitalize on not only the long side, but opportunities on the sell short side, and then trading the ranges. You need to have the ability to do both. And of course, that's the beauty of trading here, where you can really supercharge your income, take advantage of the volatility that we're seeing at the moment. Do not waste another lockdown here. You absolutely want to maximize it, particularly at this time of year, where we lead into some really strong plays now between now and the end of November into December, and then Q1 of 2021. You do not want to miss out on these massive trade opportunities. And with that, of course, this is where you want to be utilizing a research-driven approach to the market, where you're trading the same way that the hedge funds, the money managers are, the institutions, the banks. You have access to the same data, you're utilizing the same liquidity zones, and alongside that, you're further compounding your edge with the daily cycles, the weekly cycles, capital flows of the market, awareness of seasonality, the intermarket correlations, geopolitical news and market intelligence, which will give you the edge that you need to really maximize at the moment. So with that, if you would like to join a community of successful traders, learn a research-driven approach to the market, and join the live trading room mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to become a member of the Gold and Silver Club.